Miele have got a very good reputation for vacuum cleaners, many awards, but they make different machines. The first one is basically classed as the C1, as you can see it there. They all come with telescopic tubes, hoses, standard floor tools and small extra tools. As you can see there, you've got a decent sized bag. Filters go here. That's their entry point machine, very successful, very well priced. The next one is what they call the C2. Now the C2 machine, you'll notice, is a compact machine. So it's smaller, slightly smaller bag, but higher performance. Again, various filters, various main floor tools, still all come with hoses and telescopic down tubes. That's the C2 design. The C3 is very, very famous. The Cat and Dog has won more awards than I can remember. It's a larger machine, again uses the slightly larger bags, but here now you've got a little pop away area where it's got onboard tool storage, so you've got those there always at hand. They're not going to get lost in a drawer or something like that. Still comes with all the tools you'd expect it to come with, and there's several versions of the C3. They said they'd never make a bagless machine, they gave in. This is their new compact one. The first machine they made was a somewhat large machine, but this is the new compact model. It really is very effective, and again, there's no bags to mess with at all, anything like that, and the filters are very simple to keep clean. That just pops back in there on a good day, and you're done. So these are really picking up momentum now. Small, bagless, and it's a Miele.